For making chana dal fry in dhaba style, I have taken 1 cup of chana dal and we have to soak it for at least 1 hour. So we will also add red masoor to give a nice flavor. So now after an hour, we have to boil our chana dal. So we will add red masoor dal. So we have taken half cup of masoor dal. So now we have to wash it thoroughly and after that we will boil it. So for boiling dal, we have taken 4 times water in the pan. So now we are going to add dal into pan. You can also use the pressure cooker for 1 whistle. Here we are using the pan. Add salt as per your taste. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it well. Cover the lid and put your flame on the medium low. So we have to cook dal until it soft. We will check after 5 minutes. For tempering our dal, we have taken onions, garlic, ginger, tomato, green chili, 2 bay leaves, 2 cloves and whole red chili. Open the lid and we will give a stir. So we have to cook it until it cooks properly. Now our chana dal is cooked. So you can check it. So now you can press it and you can see chana dal is cooked. Now we will start tempering. For tempering chana dal, we have taken 5 tablespoons olive oil in our pan. So you can take any kind of oil. Add asifetida, 2 teaspoon cumin seeds, once cumin seed is roasted, add garlic, add ginger, stir it. Roasted ginger and garlic, add cloves, stir it. Now add bay leaves and whole red chili, mix it. Cook it medium low flame. Now add green chili, mix it. Roast green chili. Once green chili is roasted, add onions, mix it. Now add salt as per your taste. We have already added salt while cooking dal, so make sure we are not adding extra salt. Now add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, add half teaspoon raw mango powder. Now add 1 teaspoon garam masala, mix it well. and cook it for 2 minutes so that all the spices cook nicely. Now add tomato. So we have chopped tomato in a little bit big size and mix it well. So we need to cook tomato for 2 minutes. Tomato is cooked. We will add a boiled lentil. We have added boiled lentil and we have to mix it. Cook it for 5 more minutes so that all the spices will mix with the dal. So now our dal is ready. We have to add some cilantro. Mix it. So our chana dal is ready. We will serve it. Now we have served dhaba style chana dal fry. So now our dhaba style or restaurant style chana dal fry is ready. You can have it with naan, roti, paratha or any kind of rice. It looks very delicious. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.